Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to update the system software on the PlayStation 5 using the internet. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you want to go ahead and install a fresh copy of the PlayStation 5 system software, this is very easy to do. Now, the first thing we want to do is completely 100% turn off our PlayStation 5. So press the PlayStation button and then go on down to where it says power. And then completely turn off the PlayStation. So here's power. Let's select this and go to turn off. So let's completely 100% turn it off. Do not put it into rest mode. And we need to launch our PlayStation 5 into the safe mode menu. Now to do this, you need your PlayStation completely turned off. And you'll know it's turned off when there's no light on the light bar right here. Now, don't place it into rest mode. It's got to be turned off. Now, locate the power button right here and hold this down. You will hear one beep initially, and then you will hear a second beep. When you hear that second beep, go ahead and let go, and your PlayStation 5 will restart into the safe mode menu. Now, you'll need your controller plugged in. So, connect a USB cable, and then connect the other end into your PlayStation 5 controller. Otherwise, you won't be able to operate the safe mode menu. Now, when your controller is plugged in, press the PlayStation button. And here is the safe mode menu. Now, what we want to do is go to option number 3, Update System Software. Select this. Then here are the two different options. Update from USB drive. Then option 2 is update using internet. So let's go to option number 2. Select this. Now it says please wait. And this will completely install a fresh copy of the system update. So we can go to update now and select it. It says downloading the update file. And it gives me about an estimated time of 4 minutes. And it's downloading 1 gigabyte. So it says don't turn off your PS5, don't insert or eject any disks. So once this goes ahead and finishes downloading, it will install the update, and you should be able to launch your PlayStation and start playing like normal. So if you did have any errors with the recent update, go ahead and do this, and you should be good to go. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.